Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to push notifications on Domino's Pizza. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Of course, then you need to go and log in into your profile guys, but of course, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Domino's Pizza. But guys, if you do not know how to do this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here in the first screen, you can go and order now or put the delivery address where you want it to be delivered. In the top left corner, we have the order now button, the pizza tracker, we have the profile, legal notice, data privacy, terms and conditions, and the Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and push notifications on Domino's Pizza. Well guys, basically this is not an option on the application at the moment. But guys, be sure if they add push notifications to the application, we will be making a update video on it so you can know how to do it. But guys, there is a way you can do it. Basically, you can go on your phone and in your phone settings, go to your applications, and then you can go and click on the Domino's Pizza application. And there guys, you can go and turn on or turn off push notifications on the Domino's Pizza application. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow the channel guys. So if you have a few seconds, it will mean the world to us if you can do this. Now guys, as I said, this is the end of the video, and I hope that I'll be seeing you on the next video on this channel. Bye guys.